Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of assignment is Shelly Cashman Excel 2019, Modules 8, 11 SAM Capstone Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Open the file. Start by opening the file provided in the assignment. Step 2. Save the file. Save the file with a new name, changing the 1 to a 2 to avoid overwriting the original.
Step 3. Create pivot table for MaySales by product type A. Create a pivot table based on the orders table. B. Place it on a new worksheet named MaySales by product type. C. Name the pivot table MaySales. D. Arrange fields with product type and then product ID as row headings. E. Use payment field as the values. F. Format. Payment values as currency with 0 decimal points and the $sign. G. Apply the sky blue pivot style medium 13 style. Step 4. Format the pivot table. A. Change layout to tabular form. B. Hide field headers to reduce clutter. Step 5. Add a calculated field. A. Name it price. B. Use a formula to calculate the increased price. Payment field value asterisk 0.1 plus payment field value. C. Label the columns as current price and increased price accordingly. D. Resize columns C and D to fit.
Step 6. Add a slicer. A. Add a slicer based on the order source field. B. Resize and position it to cover the designated range. C. Change the slicer style to sky blue, slicer style light 5. D. Use the slicer to filter the pivot table to show only hardware store data. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +447 3096 5268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.